So you are planning a Lego party for your child, and you're wondering, how am I going to pull this off? Well, my name is Lori Randall with Simply Divine Events, and I'm going to tell you how to throw a Lego party. First thing that you're going to want to do is start with your invitations. A fun, cute idea would be getting just any simple box and sticking some Legos in here. Actually, I already put some Legos in here. You might want to just cover it with some nice construction paper. You can do just red, blue, or green, yellow, any primary colors you want to think about doing. And you can either hand deliver those to your child's friends, or you could put a nice stamp on it and send it out. Might be a little more costly that way. The way that you're sticking with your theme is sticking your Legos in there. And you might want to put a little note in there and say, build your Lego before the party starts and bring it to the party. And then you can do a contest on who did the most creative or whatever you want your contest to be. So you can put little pieces in there. If your child doesn't have a lot of Legos already, you might want to think about ordering some. You can order in some from some of the Lego catalogs, and you can order some of your Lego pieces that are just kind of a variety pack. You don't want to stick with just like, say, this one here is your battle pack. You want to think of something that's a little more variety, so there's a bit for everyone, because if you get just like one particular thing here, all the kids are going to probably fight over that. So another way to decorate your Lego party would be coming up with a centerpiece. You might want to have this truck centerpiece in the middle of the table. You can have just a little house centerpiece, just to kind of keep your whole Lego theme together. For your food, actually, the Lego has some really cool things that you can do. They have actually ice containers, like you can put ice in there and freeze it, so your ice molds is actually a Lego block, which is really cool. You can put in the drinks. They also have like the cake molds as well that are Legos, and you can buy those out of the Lego catalog, or you can might be able to purchase them at your local craft store as well. So you can do what they even have, which is kind of cool, is like little Lego block timers, and you can do like building contests and that sort of thing, and scatter these all at tables, let kids get creative. You can even put them in little different bags around. You might want to put the red, the blue, and the green together at one table, and just make sure all the kids have a variety of everything. Not one table is just one theme and the other table is another. Make sure you kind of intermix them all together. So those are some ideas and to throw a Lego themed party, and I wish you the best of luck and have a great time.